Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are covering on Tropical Cyclone Blake, Invest 92S, some more snowstorms to come in the northeast, and a possible tropical storm Arthur. Now, before I get started in the video, if you are a new subscriber, please hit that like button and subscribe button and comment, and if you're a returning subscriber, please hit that like and comment button and comment whatever you want. So for Tropical Cyclone Blake, it made landfall yesterday in Australia. Maximum sustained winds 30 knots, which is 35 miles per hour, 1,000 millibars, and this is how it looks right now. It looks stronger than, one of my people who comment yesterday said that it looks stronger than a 40 mile per hour storm. Yeah, it actually does look like stronger than a 40 mile per hour storm. It looks like a category 1 in the Atlantic. So, it made landfall yesterday, and obviously those are spaghetti models. A lot of models are just predicting it going on land now. Not coming out. 2 models showing it, GFS and NavGem. They're showing it. GFS shows it staying in land. The other one shows it going out, and then another one. It finally invests 92, which has 35 miles per hour, 999 millibars. So this is what it looks like right now. It looks very strong. It looks like it could possibly form tonight. So obviously, GFS model predicts it just going around, and the NavGem model just predicts it right there. So one model predicts it making landfall. Multiple models predict it making landfall, and some models predict it not making landfall. See, like this one, and another one predicts it making landfall. Basically, landfalling storms. So we just had a major storm last night and this morning. So this is the 9th, and there are still more snowstorms to come. Obviously, this one looks very bad, and it could bring very bad conditions to the northeast. As you can see, sleet might be involved, and a bunch of rain, but just mostly in Canada, in New York, and just the upper states. Meanwhile, like Pennsylvania, New Jersey, just gets, sadly, just rain. In my opinion, sad. And then another snowstorm forms off the coast. Another one. I think the same one. So, yeah, that's another storm, but not to affect the U.S. And then we have another, just an area of snow, sleet, mix, and rain forming right there and right here. And we can see it drifting off now. And then it colliding with this big snowstorm in Canada, which will not affect the U.S. And then we see another area that possibly, could affect. So it could affect cities like Philly, Allentown. So another big snowstorm. Wow. So, more snow and more rain for Philly. And then we have a low pressure in the Gulf. It's a snowstorm because the low pressure starts here and it's connected. So, I wanted to talk about this thing I saw in the ocean. Oh no. Okay. So, as we go in a few runs, I think one of the past snowstorms formed this. Just give it a bit. Right here. This area, no wait, I don't know if it's, okay, so that area of thunderstorms, just a line of thunderstorms, I think, trying to form, which obviously little circulation forms. So, and then a day later, it forms into a tropical depression, possibly. Now, I know you're wondering and saying, like, hey, it's the beginning of the season, or this is fake. It's many hours ahead. And on the GFS model. Well, I predicted Hurricane Dorian, and I'm very positive that this might or might not happen. But Dorian has nothing to do with this. So who cares? So after that, on 21st, it becomes a tropical depression, also with, tropical storm, also with another circulation in the middle. And then it forms into a very strong storm. Wait. Yep. Okay. Very strong storm. As you can see, no snow. And then it kind of went down and then up again. And then it dissipates. And then another low pressure, which might not or might form. And yeah, guys, that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye.